Hey people, so it feels nice to be able to again do these recordings and in terms of do these book reviews. So I have to say that there is this book called Banj uh, by Shushmita Mukherjee, Shushmita Banerjee, I think Bundela, that's her surname now. Uh, as in, she's been one of the most you know the cutest uh, character artist that we could see on the big screen, and she takes up these comic roles. But in this book, Banj, which is I could read it only in the ebook format, she speaks about like the lives of so many women across a whole landscape. Like Banj, the title gets it's from the first short story, which is about uh, uh, Banj is someone who is yet to have a child, or basically is not capable of having a child. That's the title, right? So but the writing is, because is so powerful. It stays with you long after you've read it. And because the writer is an alumni from National School of Drama and Miranda House, Delhi, so it has that rich flavor to it, like I feel people who've been fortunate to be part of these very culture rich institutions, it just gets reflected in their writing. So truly, yeah, do try and check out this book. It's called Banch. You can find it on Amazon, and it is a very light and breezy and yet powerful read. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.